These are the ANSIO interior dehumidifier crystals. They were bought in January, delivered on the 21st of January and placed in a home gym to capture any condensation. It's a wooden gym, it's a really thick log cabin, just to capture the occasional little bit of condensation. Today is the 3rd of February. We're now going to open them and we're going to see what water's been captured, because I can't see any water whatsoever. So, what we've done, DNA, that will require a hoover. So, have we got any water in? No. No water whatsoever. It looks like it is, but that's just the actual container. So at first sight you think, oh, it's doing really well, it's captured some water. Not at all. Another example, again, looks when you look at it, it looks when you look at it as though there's perhaps some water here. There's no water whatsoever. So, a bit difficult to do for the camera, but we will go and get the hoover in a minute. We'll cut into it. Now, if this had been gathering water, I'd expect it to have some water in the bottom. There's absolutely nothing in it whatsoever. Yeah. Nope. Nothing at all. The third one, again, just as an example. So we're opening it in front of the camera. Yeah. So if you can really clear, tiny little bit perhaps of some sort of moisture, perhaps. But you can see it's all loose, it's not stuck together, so it's not actually captured anything. We're going to have to get the hoover anyway, but there's no water in there whatsoever. Total and utter con as far as I'm concerned. Total and utter con. The reason I say that is obviously delivered on the 21st of January. Yeah, so that's 10 days in January that they've been in the gym. And then we've got the 3 days in February, so 13 days. It says on the advert to let them actually do their job, but it's not doing anything, absolutely nothing. Now, I've seen 5-star reviews for this product on Amazon. I'm just blown away. Where they're getting the 5 stars from is beyond me. My advice, don't waste your money. Says it absorbs up to 3 times its own weight in water. Yeah, it indicates when you look at the bottom that there's actually water in the bottom of the container. There's absolutely nothing in mine. And I think that 13 days is long enough for the product to work. And again, just for the purposes of the video, so that's 3. We have more, but they're all the same. So I've just captured 3 at random. Don't waste your money.
Thank you.